Hello and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial we're gonna do a very easy stitch, one row repeat. For you guys, the beginners, this will be perfect for a blanket, for a scarf, for many things that you can do. I'm gonna use now 4.0 millimeter crochet hook. This stitch works with multiples of 3 plus 2 more chains. So I have here 15 chains, multiples of 3, and I'm gonna chain 2 more chains. We're gonna skip the first chain, and into the second chain from the hook we're gonna do a single crochet, and this row is gonna be single crochet in each chain. So we're gonna move to the next chain, single crochet, next chain, single crochet, and so on. So we're gonna do single crochet all the way until we finish this row. So if you want to do a scarf, what you're gonna do, you're gonna finish the last row with single crochet in each stitch, in case you want to attach tassels, but it's nice to finish with one row of single crochet in each stitch. That will look well, somewhat symmetric. You started with a single crochet in each chain and you're gonna finish the same. So the last chain, single crochet, we're gonna chain 1, turn your work, and like I said, this stitch has only one row repeat, so you're gonna repeat the row on and on and on until you finish your project. So into the first stitch here we're gonna do a single crochet, yarn over the hook, into the same stitch, the first one where we did this single crochet, we're gonna do a half double crochet, yarn over the hook, and into the same stitch, the same stitch, we're gonna do a double crochet. So in one stitch you're gonna have a single crochet, a half double crochet, and a double crochet. Now we're gonna skip the next 2 stitches, 1, 2, and into the third stitch we're gonna repeat single crochet, yarn over the hook, go back again into the same stitch and do a half double crochet, and then a double crochet into the same stitch. Skip the next 2 stitches, and into the third we're gonna repeat single crochet, half double crochet into the same stitch, and a double crochet. And you're gonna repeat like this. Skip 2 stitches, and into the third, single crochet, half double crochet into the same stitch, and a double crochet into the same stitch. So skip the next 2 stitches, and into the third we repeat. So single, half double crochet, and a double crochet. So now you're gonna be left with 3 stitches at the end. So 1, 2, and the third. We're gonna skip the next 2 stitches, and into the third, which is the last stitch of the row, you're gonna go in there and do a single crochet only one single crochet, chain 1, turn your work, and now this row is gonna be the row that you're gonna repeat on and on and on until you finish your project. So into the first stitch right here we're gonna repeat. We're gonna start with a single crochet, we're gonna go back into the same stitch and do a half double crochet, and we go back into the same stitch and do a double crochet. And now we're gonna skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and into the third, which is the single crochet from the previous row. So all you're gonna do, you're gonna find the single crochet stitch. So you're gonna skip the double crochet, you're gonna skip the half double crochet, and into the single, which is the third stitch, you're gonna repeat single crochet, half double crochet into the same stitch, and a double crochet into the same stitch. So again, skip the next 2 stitches, and into the third you're gonna repeat single crochet, half double crochet, and a double crochet. skip the next 2 stitches and into the third, which is the single crochet from the previous row. You're going to put in there 3 stitches. Again, skip the next 2 stitches and into the third, you're going to do a single crochet, go back again, do a half double crochet, and go back again for the double crochet. And now you're going to skip the next 2 stitches and into the third, which is the last one in the corner here, this one, you're going to do only 1 single crochet. Yeah? So it's going to look like this. And now you're going to chain 1 and you're going to repeat the same row. The first stitch is here, you're going to do a single crochet, half double crochet into the same stitch, and a double crochet into the same stitch. You skip 2 stitches and into the third, you're going to repeat single, half double crochet, and a double crochet. So skip the next 2 stitches and into the third, single crochet, half double crochet, and a double crochet into the same stitch. Skip 2 stitches and into the third, single, half double crochet, and a double crochet. Skip 2 stitches and into the third, you're going to repeat and a double crochet. And at the end, you're going to skip 2 stitches and into the third, you're going to do only 1 single crochet. And let's say you want to finish your project, scarf, blanket, whatever you do, you're going to chain 1, turn your work, and into the first stitch right here, we're going to do a single crochet. Move to the next stitch, single crochet, next stitch, single crochet, next stitch, single crochet, and so on. You're going to do a single crochet in each stitch. So if you are to do a scarf, you will have the stitches right on top, so you will know the distance. If you want to attach tassels or fringe, you will know how many stitches you're going to skip and then attach the tassels. It's going to be quite easy. But if you do even a blanket or a scarf, you should work the first row. When you start here, you should work the back of the chain through the bump, and the stitches will be just perfect. So the last 2 stitches we have here, and the last one in the corner there, you're gonna chain 1, pull up a loop, cut the yarn, and then you're gonna hide the tail. So this is the stitch. It goes really fast, very easy, and you can do so many crochet projects with this stitch. So this is the sample, and the sides are quite nice. So you can do a blanket if you don't want to attach to make a border for the blanket. I think this is quite okay. So this row that I did in the beginning, I worked through the bump, so you have the stitches right there, so you will know if you want to attach tassels even for a blanket or a scarf. You will know how many stitches you skip and you attach into the, let's say, the third, skip 2 and into the third, and so on. So it's nice to work in the back to the back chain. So this is the stitch. I hope you enjoy and you find something to do with this stitch. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.